Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amani Fatim Tizamri and I will present about the process strategy. Okay, this is our cover page and the name of assignment is Experiential Learning 2 and our topic is Amani Fried Chicken. Okay, in this presentation, I will talk about the introduction, process flow, factor of effective outflows and the conclusion. Okay, the introduction. A process strategy is an organization's approach to transforming resources into goods and services. The objective is to create a process to produce offerings that meets the customer requirements within cost and other managerial constraints. This is where we need to come up with a strategy on how to produce a product or provide a service that can meet or exceed the customer requirements and meet cost and the managerial goals. This process strategies also has its long-term effects on efficiency and production flexibility, cost, and quality. Okay, next we move to the process flow. The first step for process flow is purchasing and receiving raw materials. This is where all food must be purchased from reliable supplier and the food must be permissible and come from the halal sources. The all raw materials and its condition must be inspected. Okay, the second step is storage. It is divided into three types of storage, which are refrigeration, freezer, and dry storage. The refrigeration storage, all materials need to be properly covered and the temperature must be maintained. Same goes to the freezer and also dry storage. Okay. Um, Okay. The third step is preparation. All workers must wash their hands first before beginning preparation and between tasks, and also to prevent the cross contamination. We clean and sanitize the utensil and work surface in between the tasks. Or we also use the color code cutting boards for the different foods. We prefer sorry, we prepare the food as close to serving time as possible. Okay. Okay. Next is cooking, which we use suitable temperature for every food that we cook. Cooling, since large amount of food do not cool quickly, we need to be divided into several smaller, shallow container before being stored in a refrigerator or walk-in cooler. The food should be cooked from 60 Celsius to 4 Celsius within 4 to 6 hours. Okay, next is reheating. We reheat cool hazardous food to original cooking temperature with quickly or on in the stove. We check the temperature often in several places to be sure the entire amount of food has reached the necessary temperature. Okay, the last one is serving. We ensure the cleanliness of the server's personal hygiene, utensils, and service area. We receive order from the customer and deliver it with ensure that the food are held at proper hold and cool holding temperature. Okay, next we move to the factor of effective outflows. The first one is technology advancement. With this, we can ensure that time is used in the best manner possible. It also can boost up the level of output and helps to replace the human effort. By using technology, also can cut off the time taken to produce one unit of products. Okay, the second one is employee training. It is important to produce an effective output because lack of training can prevent businesses from achieving high productivity of output. By having enough and good employee training, it can help employees to understand clearly about their tasks and what they need to do. Okay. The third one is resources. We ensure all of our resources are delivered on time and within the quality standard that has been set by the management. We also making sure that we have a proper handling and storage at all stages from raw materials to the finished good. Um, Next is the company management. All task distribution need to be clear and understood by every staff in order to avoid the misunderstanding. All human resources of all company are well managed in order to make sure all work are effective and efficient. Okay, the last one is the workplace environment. Workers who enjoy their job are more likely to engage thoroughly with their work and improve productivity. They will work with more effective and efficiently. The healthy working environment can be seen in productive atmosphere, supportive workmate, and the positive reinforcement. Okay. Uh, so, as a conclusion, a process involves the use of an organization resources to provide something of value. The process selected will have a long-term effect on efficiency and flexibility of production, as well as on cost and quality of the goods produced. Therefore, the limitation of a process strategy are at the time of the process decisions. Okay, so here is our references, and that's all from me. Thank you so much.